So let's take a look at how you can edit dataset in Einstein Analytics Studio. So what we will do is we will log into developer edition of Einstein Analytics and then click on App Launcher. Okay, once App Launcher loads, we will click or tap on Analytics Studio button here. That should open it in new tab, and here you see in the left hand sidebar you will find this data manager. Simply click on that, which should open another new tab where you see data manager. Okay, now here if you click on this data link, it should show you list of data sets, the time where it is created by whom, when it was refreshed, etc. So what we'll do is we'll choose one of the data set, and on the extreme right hand side you will see one menu. Simply click on that and click on edit dataset. Okay, that should open its own tab where you see you get to edit its name or description. Okay, also there is configure action button so that you can configure its action, create story recipes. Also you can delete this dataset. Similarly you can also export your metadata file in JSON. Okay, similarly if there is any app created through this, you can also change its name. Also you can view the usage. Okay, as you can see it has its own dashboard automatically created when the dataset was imported. So you get the idea how to edit dataset in Data Manager in Analytics Studio.